Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigrations. Today I will talk about post study options. OPT, it means optional practical training. If students want to stay back in the US to gain practical knowledge in their subject, they have the option to do so through OPT. It's temporary employment permission allowing students the opportunity to gain practical experience in their field of study for 12 months. Pre completion OPT, post completion OPT. If the students want to do work related to their field of study, they can do so through pre completion opt, and students currently pursuing studies acquire work authorization through this permit, and the work may be part time during classes and full time during vacations. If I talk about duration, students are allowed 12 months of OPT for all bachelor's and master degrees. Those pursues STEM courses get an additional of 17 months, making a total of 29 months under STEM OPT extension. Students who have completed their education and want to work more than 20 hours per week require post completion OPT. This OPT is granted for full time employment, while an OPT students cannot pursue a new course of study unless you are a PhD student. Is it? If I talk about how to apply for OPT, the students needs to initiate the request for OPT by having their DSO. DSO means designated school official recommended OPT. For this, DSO needs to number 1 endorse form 120, and number 2 making appropriate notes in Savvis, and after that the student files form I-765, which is the application for EAD. EAD means employment authorization document. So once approved, the student is issued EAD. The student can start working once the EAD is issued. So co-op education program. In a cooperative program, the period of study alternates with work. The student co-op program is a formally structured program where the intent is to recruit students. So while still in a school to fill permanent positions upon graduation. Co-op programs are generally undertaken at colleges and universities. The salary will most probably be given on an hourly basis and depending on your choice of courses or major. You can make around $10 to $16 per hour. If I talk about placements, Indian students are used to the concept of campus placements and on campus recruitment for getting jobs. There is no concept of placements in America. Most US universities have a cell called a Career Services Center, which helps you get jobs and helps you prepare for interview. The on-campus requirement is always driven by student interest, and companies that recruit through the university don't offer a job directly. What they offer is an internship or co-op. Companies like to see your work for a few months before they hire you full time. Is it? If you have any kind of query, you can share your query in my comment section box. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible, and you can also share your profile on our WhatsApp number 99146 15605. Our counselors, our experts will definitely guide you free of cost. We don't take any kind of charge for counseling, and we will tell you which country is better for you, which course is better for you, which institute is better for you, and what is better for you. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy.